Honda just built a Streetfighter that could seriously shake up the leader bike game, and it's not even trying to be the loudest or craziest out there? Yeah, I'm talking about the all-new 2026 Honda CB1000 Hornet SP. And trust me, this thing is way more interesting than it looks at first glance. Right away, this bike comes in with that sharp, aggressive, naked styling, minimal bodywork, exposed muscle, and that signature Hornet attitude. It's clean, but also mean. You look at it, and you know it's built for serious street performance. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just another redesign. Honda basically took what worked in the past and gave it a serious upgrade. Under the tank, you're getting a tuned inline-4 engine derived from the older Honda CBR1000 RR Fireblade platform. That means real performance DNA, not just marketing hype. We're talking strong mid-range power, smooth throttle, and enough top end to keep things exciting when you twist it hard. It's not trying to kill you like a full race bike, but it's definitely not holding back either. And for street riders, that balance is everything. Now the SP version. Yeah, this is where Honda steps it up. You're getting premium suspension, likely from Öhlins, fully adjustable, built to handle aggressive riding. Braking? Top-tier Brembo setup. So yeah, this thing is not just fast in a straight line, it's built to stop hard and corner even harder. And let's be real, that's what matters in the real world. Quick bursts, tight corners, fast reactions. But wait, there's more. Electronics on this bike are expected to be modern, but not overwhelming. Multiple riding modes, traction control, maybe even a quick shifter is standard. Honda usually keeps things clean and rider-focused, so you won't be digging through menus while riding. Everything is there to support you, not distract you. And honestly, that's something a lot of riders in the US actually prefer. Not everyone wants a spaceship dashboard. Now here's the part nobody's talking about enough though: price. Honda has a history of undercutting the competition, and if they do it again with the Hornet SP, this bike could land right in that sweet spot. High performance, premium parts, but still more affordable than rivals from Europe. That's dangerous, because bikes like this don't just compete, they steal attention. Quick pause. If you're into bikes like this, real street machines with actual performance, hit that like button and subscribe. There's a lot more coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. Alright, back to it. Let's talk about the ride feel. Early impressions and expectations suggest this bike is going to be super nimble. Lightweight chassis, upright riding position, wide handlebars, basically everything you want for city riding and weekend canyon runs. It's not just about speed, it's about control, and that's where Honda usually nails it. But here's the real thing. This bike isn't trying to be the fastest naked bike in the world, it's trying to be the smartest choice. Usable power, real-world comfort, premium parts where it matters, and that might actually make it more exciting than some of the bigger, crazier bikes out there. Now, there are still some things we're waiting to fully confirm. Exact horsepower numbers? Not officially locked in yet. Final US pricing? Still under wraps. And availability timing? That's another question mark. But all signs point to Honda making a serious move with this one. And if they get the pricing right, this could easily become one of the most talked about naked bikes of the year. So now I've got to ask you, if this bike lands in the US at the right price, would you pick the 2026 Honda CB1000 Hornet SP or over something like a European Streetfighter? Or are you still going for the bigger names?